So in this video, we'll see how you can download MySQL in your system. So you have to first come to the Google search and you have to write MySQL download, and you will have to go this website www.mysql.com downloads, and you have to just scroll down here and you will see this is MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on this, and again you have to come here, MySQL installer for Windows. It's for Windows, and you have to just click on this and you have to scroll down here. You can see this is the MySQL 32 bits MSI installer, and you have to just click on this one. This is the MSI installer, and I will just download this one. And you don't have to log in or sign up. No thanks, just start my download, and it will start download. So after you have downloaded it, you can actually open this MySQL installer. And there are many options if you want to use it as a server, a client, or maybe a custom. And you can use that. I'm going to select full. You have to just select execute. So this is all installed. Click on next. Click on next, and you have to click next. Click next. Now you have to enter a password. This is not a password for your computer, it's a password for your database. So you have to write a strong password. And you can write next, next, and it's executed. You can just say finish. You have to write this password again. And here you go. MySQL Workbench has been downloaded. You can see this is the local host, and you can also create a new connection out here. So your MySQL Workbench has been downloaded. Thank you for watching.